Need to take a screenshot but don't know how? You came to the right video because today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on almost any device. Let's get into it. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, there are two main ways to take a screenshot. First, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Windows and the print screen keys at the same time. This way, you will take a full screen screenshot. All screens are automatically saved in the folder called Screenshots that you can find in the Pictures folder. The second, and my personal favorite way to take a screenshot on Windows, is by using the snipping tool. You can open it by going to your Start menu and typing in Snipping tool. Or alternatively, on your keyboard, press Shift, Windows, and S keys together. The whole screen will become darker, and now you will be able to select an area you want to capture. Additionally, at the top, you will see various options for how you would like to take a screenshot. For instance, this selection will capture the entire screen, or this option will let you draw your own screen area, which is neat. Once you take a screenshot, you can save it in your preferred location, and it will also be automatically placed in your clipboard, meaning that now you can paste it in an application or a chat box by pressing Ctrl and V keys together, or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Next, let me show you how to take a screenshot on a Mac. If you want to take a full screen screenshot, then just press Command, Shift, and number 3 keys all together at the same time. If you want to only capture a specific window, then press Command, Shift, and number 4 keys together. Also, if you click on the small preview window after you take a screenshot, you will be able to modify your image by drawing on it or adding text. All the screenshots you take will be saved on your desktop and your clipboard, so you can share them super easily. Linux is next. I'm only going to be showing the Ubuntu distro since it is the most popular, but other distros should work the same way. Here, we simply need to hit the print screen button for a full screen screenshot. And for a partial one, hit Shift and print screen keys together to select an area you want to capture. All screenshots will be saved in the Pictures folder. Let's now move on to mobile devices, starting with Android. Now, this can be tricky since there's so many Android manufacturers out there. You got your Google, Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, and so many others. However, in most cases, if you long press the power and the volume down buttons together, you will take a screenshot. On some phones, you will also be able to take a custom-sized screenshot by long pressing the power button to open a system menu and then long pressing the screenshot option. All your screenshots will be saved in your gallery, ready to be shared. And last but not least on our list, we have iOS. The process is actually very similar to Android, but instead of pressing volume down, press volume up. For example, on newer iPhones, press volume up and the power button together to take a screenshot. Also, on iOS, you don't need to hold the two buttons. Instead, you just need to quickly press them and then let go. If you have an older iPhone that has a physical home button, then you need to press the home and volume up buttons together at the same time. To take a screenshot on your iPad, click the power button together with the home button. Once again, all screenshots will be saved in your gallery so you can edit them or share them right away. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, press that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. But that is all for me. Take care.